How to download and install Quora app. So today in this video I will be showing you how can you download and install Quora app on your device. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So the Quora application can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first step, you need to open up your Google Play Store on your mobile device. And you have to tap on the search bar of the upper section and you have to search for Quora. And once you search for that, you will be easily able to see this application. Simply tap on install option at the right hand side of this application and it will take a few times to install it on your device, which totally depends upon your internet connection. And once it's installed, you can either create your account, or if you already have got an account, then you can log into your account. And once you are logged in, you will be able to use the various features of Quora app. You can log in and look for that. Here you can see you can read high quality inserts on your custom feed, and you can discover content tailored to your interest. You can also ask any questions on the go, and you can share your experiences with others. And here are other many more features. You can just log into your account and go for that. And few seconds later, you can see this application has been installed on my device. You can simply tap and open and go for the further process. So this is how you do. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.